You have to have that drive in you to run your own business. You need to put all the time in. There is no true downtime. It's 24/7 all the time if you want to have a successful business. Basically, the company I started back in 1978 while I was still in high school. Started out landscaping houses, full landscape. We then turned into had a maintenance division where we would maintain roughly 70 lawns a week and still continued in landscape construction. Moved on into the 80s into heavier construction. And up into the 90s, when the economy kind of changed, we moved into municipal contracting and have stayed there ever since.
I mean, it's been good doing the public work. Yeah, it's gotten rough in a couple last years because they play games with payment and stuff like that. But, you get larger jobs doing the public work. You get more unique jobs that we try to find, as opposed to doing smaller ones.
It is reassuring seeing an engineer's name on a set of plans that they're good to work for.
We try to make all our jobs pretty much a partnership between us and them, and sometimes the engineer is the dividing factor because engineers and architects design something that's a vision, and sometimes the vision doesn't pan out well in real life. So it winds up being, you're changing my idea, and it's like, well, it can't be done. So it has to be done in a way that we can all get it done, get work done, and sometimes pencil doesn't always equate out to the shovel.
Try to just maintain the best relationship with the owner throughout the project, whether it's good news, bad news, just trying to be transparent with them. We want quality to be nothing but the best. Definitely with our flat work, our plantings, making sure it's taken care of, trying to coach the owner in the proper way to take care of the project once we're gone. See that it has good success. So they got started with 2D way back in the 90s, I would say.
Yeah.
Was being probably like the only way to accurately grade fields and running tracks. And from there, we've just always progressed with it. As we started getting into 2015, 2016, I was just seeing that, GPS is going to be a way to, really get to the next level on this and improve what we're doing. And that really has been the way from 2016, 2017 on. We've just grown our GPS fleet, and that's really helped, as well as trying to introduce our guys to laptops, tablets, and all that technology at the right time and moving from paper into, the digital world. Our most recent purchase is a mid-size cat excavator, 315 with the Encon tiltrotator, full next gen with Trimble earthworks on it. Yeah, it's a really good size machine for us, but it's in a lot of areas where our bigger machines can't.
Every one of these new parks all have rain gardens, bioswales that are all small little niches within the park that you kind of need that kind of machine to shape it up. It's fun when you come to work every day and you're having fun. When you're not having fun, it becomes work. So we try to make it that we have all good stuff and you have good fun.
For more Contractor of the Year videos, click the playlist on the screen now.